Hey everybody, so in my last video I showed you how to pick a master lock number 1 with a paper clip. This time we're going to try to do it with a bobby pin, and let's chalk this up and give it a go. This one's a number 3 that I usually stick in my bag for local lock sport meetings. So it has been picked a good few times, and it is actually not one of my easiest master locks, but let's see if we can manage to do this. So just unbent it and took a bit off the end there. Let's try the other end. There we go. Well, that wasn't very secure, was it? So, until next time, have fun, and remember, don't rely on master locks when it's actually important. Have fun, happy picking, and stay legal.